Everyone, welcome to my YouTube live channel.
Often requiring separate
Hello,
subject matter
Universal Style
experts.
143.
Finally, the security tools
Unique
layer
name रखा
focus on identity
है
management,
Universal Style
end user
143.
security, and access management, which again, distinct from the other layers. This traditional approach caused duplication of efforts, with each tower had different productivity levels, pricing structures, and a constant need for SMEs across domains. While functional, this model task execution
Yeah,
to
hi
assist
Divine
users
Journey.
in achieving their
Radhe Radhe.
outcomes. Example, a Gen AI model agentic managed services.
चलो आज आपको
These
यही सिखाते
represent
हैं.
a cognitive constellation of AI agents powered by comprehensive knowledge base that empowers businesses to learn, think, and act autonomously. And resilient operations at scale. Ways of working with wings transition knowledge from humans to machines using an AI first approach where possible, gather missing information, discover additional artifacts required before handing over to a person. Support engineers and business users work on issues assisted by AI agents that work in tandem with them. Deployment models. There are multiple ways this model can be deployed. 1. AI first self service capabilities. 2. Wipro brings its platform to a client's secure infrastructure. 3. Client integrates their ITSM platform on a dedicated
Gudiya
Wipro
Rahul.
hosted instance.
Yeah, hi
4.
Gudiya.
Wipro renders services on demand for e-bonded clients.
Welcome to
Together,
live my
with these, the Wings
YouTube channel.
platform will deliver autonomy with guardrails. This means AI operates independently, but within discover, process, and analyze available information to drive autonomy in learning. Think based on events as they happen. Decide on the best course of action and act autonomously within guardrails. 2. Smart interactions and persona based dashboards. A pre built prompt library enables all users to accomplish complex tasks and get answers to queries without human intervention and customized dashboards to provide insights. 3. Real time context aware issue enrichment. Combine information from
जो भी
KD,
मेरे इस समय
Notepad,
लाइव पे है,
external sources, and
महाकाल की
SOPs to
धूल,
enrich the understanding of the
डिवाइन
issue to
जर्नी
identify and recommend
एंड
remediation steps for AI assisted
शंभू
engineer support.
यूनिवर्सल
4.
स्टाइल 143.
AI powered self
प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर
service.
लीजिएगा गुड़िया को,
Voice and chat
गुड़िया
based
राहुल
interaction with
8601
users
को.
supporting multiple languages. Instant resolution for FAQs and common issues. 5. Plug and play agents and partner tools from Explorer. Able to translate goals, intent into tasks, and discover tools, agents from Explorer, and orchestrate the autonomous remediation. 6. Documentation and knowledge creation. Automatically generates and updates SOPs, run books, SMTD, and knowledge articles based on resolved incidents, topology, and operational patterns. 7. Reimagined experience. Reimagine user experience and engagement with AI agent to enable the end users as well as IT ops teams the ability to improve their experience with IT, improve business KPIs, BLAs. Click on the next button to continue. Wings AI Agent Ecosystem Vision. Wings provides seamless coverage across
गुड़िया आपको
technology
सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है शंभू
operations,
ने?
corporate functions, and select industries, ensuring that every operational layer from devices to
आप भी
infrastructure
इसको
and
रिटर्न कर दीजिएगा।
platforms is intelligently connected. It enables orchestration
आपके
across
9 है
layered
ना
platform
सब्सक्राइब, आज
AI
10 हो गए होंगे। आप एक
capabilities,
बार चेक
if
करिए।
available, and fine-tune client-specific AI implementations. Let us uncover operations, corporate, and industry agents, each designed to address a specific function, one by one. Operations agents. Knowledge agents that manage SOPs, knowledge coverage, and self-maintaining documentation. Ticketing agents will manage triage, classification, and even identify similar tickets for faster resolution. Transition agents will provide support summarization.
गुड़िया
ensure
आपको
quality,
यूनिवर्सल
and
स्टाइल ने भी
capture knowledge
143 ने
during
भी आपको सब्सक्राइब कर
handovers.
लिया है। आप भी उनको रिटर्न कर
Contact
दीजिएगा।
center agents will serve as virtual support agent, sentiment and escalation predictor, projecting sentiment and escalation patterns. Healing agents will conduct health checks, analyze data, and enable auto-heal capabilities. Click on the next button to continue. Wings AI Agent Ecosystem Vision. Corporate Function Agents. In this, Wings brings together AI capabilities tailored for key support
डोल डन।
functions such as marketing, finance, and accounting, legal and compliance, and human
आपको
resources.
गुड़िया आपको किया है
Marketing
यूनिवर्सल
will
स्टाइल
include
143 ने
campaign
भी आपको
optimizers
सब्सक्राइब कर
and
लिया। आप
cost
उनको भी
governance
रिटर्न करिए।
agents.
शंभू
The agents will
M7V ने
include
भी
lead
आपको
gen,
सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है। उनको
KA
भी रिटर्न कर दीजिए।
optimizer, customer sentiment analyst, and sales forecasting. Finance and accounting agents will include invoice reconciliation, expense auditor, cash flow predictor, budget planning. They will enable predictive insights that drive smarter financial decisions and operational control. Legal and compliance agents will manage policy interpretation, contract summarization, and risk management. The agents include contract analyst, regulatory monitor, audit assistant, policy enforcement. Human resources agents will support policy interpretation, employee query management, and digital concierge services. This not only streamlines HR operations, but also enhances employee satisfaction through faster, AI-led support. The agents include talent acquisition, employee sentiment, attrition risk onboarding concierge. Click on the next button to continue. Wings AI Agent Ecosystem Vision. Industry agents. Manufacturing will include agents on predictive maintenance, production line optimizer, quality inspection agent, supply chain risk monitor. Healthcare will include agents that manage clinical documentation assist, patient risk stratification,
गुड़िया आप
appointment
रिटर्न कर दीजिए
optimization,
शंभू
medical
को।
coding, and billing.
इनको भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए
All
आप।
of this help in reducing administrative burden and enhance care accuracy. Consumer goods will include agents that will drive demand forecasting, retail shelf intelligence, consumer sentiment analyzer, promotion effectiveness, helping companies respond faster to market shifts and consumer trends. Telecom providers, the agents include network health monitoring, churn prediction, bill dispute resolver, and service provisioning. Click on the next button to continue. Wings AI Agent Ecosystem Vision. Wings is designed to integrate natively with leading enterprise platforms, tools, and ecosystems, whether they are in devices and infrastructure, applications, or industry systems. It connects effortlessly with infrastructure and monitoring platforms like ServiceNow, Datadog, Dynatrace, Cisco, Splunk, Red Hat, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and others, ensuring real-time visibility, data flow, and automation across the technology stack. On the enterprise applications front, Wings is compatible with systems such as SAP, Oracle, Workday, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics 365, Zora, Infor, Blue Yonder, and ICERTs, among others. This makes it a
देखिए जो जो भी
plug-and-play
आपको
intelligence
सब्सक्राइब कर रहा
layer
है
that
गुड़िया,
enhances
आप उसको
existing
रिटर्न कर दीजिए।
enterprise systems. Wings will also align with next-gen AI and
और
automation
इनको कंफर्म कर
platforms
दीजिए,
like
इनको कमेंट भी कर
OpenAI,
दीजिएगा।
RC.ai, Azra, Torque, Cleric, Intellect AI, and more. All this bringing together the best of both native and client-specific AI capabilities. This is not just another platform, but a connected AI ecosystem that scales intelligence everywhere your enterprise operates. Click on the next button. Productivity expectation across personas. Now, let us look at the impact it is already creating in real-world scenarios. These are preliminary results based on lab studies involving multiple personas using different is available 24/7 with high adoption rate. 3. MVT engineers are supported by AI assists and advice capabilities for resolution suggestions and automation of repetitive tasks. 4. Historical ticket data along with architecture, process, and other documents is available to train AI models for accuracy. Note, empirical evidence from lab studies conducted with all the personas using an AI-assisted IT operations execution model in steady state, N equals 10. Let's look closer at each persona and the significant impact Wings will bring. Transition lead. Transition leads 30 to 40% improvement in productivity. Work type, transition planning, resource onboarding issues, access to systems and incumbent SMEs during transition, progress status. Baseline resolution time, 24 to 36 hours. AI-assisted resolution time, reduced to 18 to 24 hours. AI helps with automated planning templates, onboarding workflows, knowledge discovery, prompt-based status reports. Technology SME transition. Transition leads 50 to 70% improvement in productivity. Work type, environment discovery, configuration validation, playback and knowledge transfer, KT, validation. Baseline resolution time, 8 to 12 hours. AI-assisted resolution time, reduced to 3 to 4 hours. AI assists with validation scripts, config checks, and documentation. Allows users to validate KT and reverse KT automatically from human to machine. AI-assisted self-service. Transition leads 90 to 98% improvement in productivity. Work type, password resets, FAQs, access requests, interactive requests for reports. Baseline resolution time, 30 to 60 minutes. AI-assisted resolution time, reduced to 1 to 5 minutes. Fully AI-assisted resolution via AI chatbot or portal knowledge base. AI-assisted minimum viable team. Transition leads 60 to 80% improvement in productivity. Work type, configuration issues, software errors. Baseline resolution time, 2 to 4 hours.
हाय GLA मॉम,
AI-assisted resolution time,
ब्यूटी
reduced to
टिप्स,
30 to 60 minutes. AI
वेलकम
suggests resolution steps, auto triage, and knowledge articles.
गाइस। जब
AI-assisted
ये
dedicated
नए आए हैं
team.
ब्यूटी टिप्स,
Transition leads 50
मैं
to
इनको ब्लू दे रहा
70%
हूँ, आप इनको
improvement in
सब्सक्राइब कर
productivity.
लीजिए,
Work
हेल्प
type,
करिए एक दूसरे
complex
की, वही
infra/app
हम आगे
issues,
बढ़ेंगे।
root cause analysis. Baseline resolution time, 6 to 12
हेलो मोर
hours.
ब्यूटीफुल टिप्स, आप भी
AI-assisted
सब, मैंने
resolution
आपको ब्लू
time,
दे दिया, आप भी
reduced to 2
सबको
to 4
सब्सक्राइब कर
hours.
लीजिए, रिटर्न कर दीजिए और
AI
उनकी वीडियोस पे
assists
भी
with
कमेंट कर दीजिए और मेरी
diagnostics,
वीडियोस को भी
log
लाइक कर लीजिएगा
analysis, and RCA
और मुझे भी सब्सक्राइब कर
acceleration.
लीजिएगा।
Click on the next button to continue. Meet the agents, brain behind intelligence. Let us meet the brains behind Wings. These AI agents make the
मेरी
entire
वीडियोस पे
system
कमेंट भी कर
intelligent
दीजिएगा।
and self-evolving. Each agents form the core engine of the
महाकाल की
platform,
दूल, आप
each
भी
one
इनको
designed to take
सब्सक्राइब कर
ownership of a
लीजिए। डिवाइन
specific
जर्नी
value
आप भी,
stream of operations, from
और
managing
शंभू आप भी
workflows autonomously
ब्यूटी
to
टिप्स को
learning
सब्सक्राइब कर
continuously
लीजिए।
and collaborating with humans to drive adaptive outcomes. Value stream of operations. Demand intake and request management. Ticket agents, ISM agents, and next mind agents capture customer needs with 70 to
देखिए
90%
BDT
efficiency,
आपके 3 थे,
ensuring no
आपके 4 हो
request
गए
is
होंगे।
missed or
आप एक बार
misrouted.
चेक करिए,
Triage
आपने
and
शायद एक वीडियो डाली हुई
prioritization.
है।
Ensure right issues are addressed by right resource in right order.
वीडियोस
This is
डेली
managed
डालिए,
by
ओके।
triaging,
अपनी डेली
self-retriever,
एक्टिविटी को
log
जो
retriever,
भी आप
and
डाल
demand
रहे हैं,
agents.
अब आप अपना
They automatically sort
मोस्ट
and
ऑफ टाइम
assign
जो भी यूज़
issues to
कर
the
रहे हैं,
right
आप
teams
डेली
in the right order,
बेस में जो
delivering up to
वर्किंग कर रहे हैं, उनकी
80%
भी आप वीडियो
efficiency.
बनाइए, डालिए इनको,
Incident management,
ठीक है।
agents like health check, enrichment, and technology agents take over,
देखिए आपको कमेंट कर
troubleshooting,
दिया है
and
मैंने।
resolving issues faster while assisting SMEs with root cause analysis resolutions, achieving 30 to 50% productivity improvement. Problem management, similar ticket, and ISM agents help reduce repeat incidents by identifying patterns and linking them to previous resolutions, achieving 10% to
डिवाइन आपको
20%
भी इन्होंने
productivity
सब्सक्राइब कर
improvement.
लिया है,
Knowledge
ग्लो
management,
ब्यूटीफुल टिप्स ने।
knowledge, SMTD Gen, SOP Gen, and summarization agents continuously learn from past resolutions, improving first call accuracy and knowledge reuse by up to
एटलीस्ट इनके
50%
5
to
to 6
70%.
होने चाहिए अब सब्सक्राइब। जब
Monitoring
आप
of
इतने
event
सारे यहाँ बंदे
management,
हैं,
auto-heal
आप
and
एक दूसरे को
next-mind
सपोर्ट करिए,
agents work
सब्सक्राइब करिए,
proactively to detect
उनकी वीडियोस पे भी
anomalies,
लाइक करिए,
prevent outages,
और उनके
and
कमेंट भी
enhance
करिए।
system uptime.
मेरे को भी
This
ध्यान
results
रखिएगा,
in
ठीक है। मैं
10%
आपके
to
बढ़ा रहा हूँ तो मेरे
20%
भी बढ़ाइएगा।
efficiency gain. Click on the next button to continue.
ब्यूटी टिप्स मैं आपको रिटर्न कर दूंगा, ठीक है। अभी मैंने अपने दूसरे अकाउंट से कर दिया है।
Measures and metrics. With agentic AI infusion in our platform, we prepare to measure how AI thinks and acts and hold ourselves accountable for next generation of IT operations metrics. These can be in addition to service level agreements typically associated with an IT operation. AI efficiency. AI ticket resolution rate, percentage of tickets resolved end to end by AI. Target, greater than or equal to 30% for L1 tickets. AI recommendation accuracy, percentage of AI suggested resolutions accepted. Target, greater than or equal to 85%. Self-service success rate, percentage of queries resolved via AI self-service. Target, greater than or equal to 70%. Deflection rate, percentage of tickets avoided due to AI slash self-service.
ब्यूटी टिप्स आप
Target,
शंभू को भी
greater than or equal to
सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए।
40%.
मैं पिंग
AI
आईडी
response
कर रहा
time,
हूँ, आप
time
पिंग
taken by
आईडी को
AI to
सब्सक्राइब करते
respond
रहिए।
to
मैं
a
सबकी एक
query.
बार एक करके पिंग
Target,
आईडी डालता
less than
रहूँगा।
or equal to
आप
5
इसको भी
seconds.
सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, इनकी वीडियो को भी
Support
लाइक कर दीजिए,
engineer
कमेंट डाल दीजिए।
productivity. Per engineer per day, volume of tickets resolved per engineer, baseline versus post AI improvement. Average handling time, AHT, time spent per ticket, should reduce with AI assistance. Engineer utilization rate, percent of time spent on productive work. Target, greater than or equal to 85%. Knowledge article usage, percent of tickets resolved using AI suggested articles. Target, greater than or equal to 60%. Ticket incident resolution. Mean time to resolve, MTTR, average time to resolve incidents.
जो
Target,
एक दूसरे
less
को
than or
सब्सक्राइब
equal
कर
to
रहा है वो
4
प्लीज़
hours for critical
बताते रहें।
incidents. Mean time to acknowledge, MTTA, time to acknowledge a ticket. Target, less than or equal to 15 minutes. Reopen rate, percent of tickets reopen after closure. Target, less than or equal to 3%. Escalation rate, percent of tickets escalated to higher tiers. Target, less than or equal to 10%. End user experience. End user satisfaction, CSAT, post resolution survey score. Target, greater than or equal to 4.5 out of 5 or greater than or equal to 90%. Net Promoter Score, NPS, measures user loyalty. Target, greater than or equal to 50. Self-service adoption rate, percent of users using AI self-service. Target, greater than or equal to 70%. Time to first
ब्यूटी टिप्स
response,
आपको
time from
डिवाइन
ticket
जर्नी ने
creation
आपको
to first
सब्सक्राइब कर
response.
लिया है।
Target, less than or equal to 15 minutes.
आप पिंग
User
आईडी को भी
sentiment
सब्सक्राइब करते चलिए।
analysis, AI-driven sentiment scoring from feedback. Target, positive sentiment greater than or equal to 80%. Ease of use score, user rating of platform usability. Target, greater than or equal to 4.5 out of 5 or greater than or equal to 90%. Task completion rate, percent of users completing tasks without help. Target, greater than or equal to 95%. Click Path Efficiency, average number of steps to complete a task. Target, less than or equal to 3 steps. Business Impact Severity Index, Business Impact of IT Fail. Explore for have been developed using AI first principles for customers, but the Explore capability also allows AI agents to interact with users to recommend best fit solutions across both client and Azure marketplaces. Key features: 1. One-click deployment for some solutions. 2. Single source to multiple tools, AI agents and solutions. 3. User guides, demos. Multiple tools are stacked in these broader categories, such as full stack operations, enterprise platform ops, risk and compliance operations, infrastructure operations, and business third-party tools. Click on the next button to continue.
पिंग आईडी चेंज हो गया, डिवाइन जर्नी पिंग कर दिया है। आप सब एक दूसरे को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। या हाय शनाया, पिंग आईडी चेंज कर रहा हूँ। एक दूसरे को सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए, सपोर्ट करते रहिए, वीडियोस पे लाइक कमेंट भी करते रहिए।
ME
पिंक आईडी को
brings
सपोर्ट करते चलिए।
together automation, intelligence, and user experience through a 3-layer Raw Wings enables
गुड़िया
preventive
राहुल,
and proactive
आप
monitoring
शनाया
and operations. Business value and
गुड़िया, आप शनाया कुल को
360-degree
भी सब्सक्राइब कर
dashboards.
लीजिए, अपनी
Single
आईडी को
pane
भी
of
सब्सक्राइब कर
glass,
लीजिए।
analytics and reporting. Click on the next button to continue. Five, connect technical help with business goals. Click on the next button to continue. AI-driven transition has made it seamless. Gen AI-powered copilots, transcode, soft generator, smart causal analysis, reverse engineering. Phase takeover, fit-to-purpose pragmatic approach. Integrated transition governance includes all stakeholders for enhanced communication. Foundation setup for target model during transition via transformation office. Address business complexity nuances through proximity and collaboration. Day 1 experience transition delivery measured, risk mitigated led by domain experts. Through Gen AI powered documentation, knowledge enhancement, and governance, transitions are faster, transparent, and data backed. 500 plus successful large transitions in 5 years, 6.7 to 7 average CSAT, 150 plus career. Online governance, and automated progress tracking. Learn
गाइज
by
एक दूसरे को
observing
सपोर्ट
1.
करते चलिए.
Virtual knowledge assist as the first line of help. 2. Start early with P1, P2 incidents shadow. 3. AI assisted SOC, KEG, SMTD, EPD updates. 4. Focus on critical non ticketed tasks. 5. SLA report automation. 6. KT coverage gap assessment. Learn by performing. 1. Business event / period closure simulations. 2. Major incident management dry run. 3. Independent handling of high priority tickets. 4. Steady state readiness check. All of this enables fast track transition with incumbent availability and time constraints and good level of documentation and ISM data are available. Click on the next button to continue. 1. Costs for the platform and technology infrastructure will be borne by the client. This will be covered in detail in the L2 training and certification. 2. Access to the Wings platform will be provided to only Wipro associates. However, all
हाय
outputs
आदित्य
such as enriched data, SOPs, and SMTD documents will be available to all customers and suppliers. 3. In the on-demand scenario, the integrated ISM tool provided by Wipro will be e-bonded with client ISM tool, Snow, BMC, Jira, etc. 4. Client will provide read-write access to all systems, networks, infrastructure, and data repositories to the Wings platform. Click on the next button to continue. Here is how we will make it happen. We enable Wings implementation through 2 deployment tracks. Existing clients, the focus is on targeted technology interventions that deliver quick wins in identified value streams with minimal client effort. It is a more targeted approach in implementing the Wings platform. Identify technology interventions, delivering quick wins in identified value streams. Greenfield implementations start from knowledge transfer, using AI to extract best practices, auto-generate transition documents, and reduce KT time. Solutions are co-created with client stakeholders to implement Wings and AI assist capabilities efficiently. 1. We start from KT by focusing on extracting best practice from people, process, and technology perspective from existing artifacts to a machine and auto-generated SMTD transition documents. Reduces KT period. 2. Specific solutions for an engagement are arrived at joint assessment with client stakeholders and SMEs. 3. Focus on implementing the Wings platform to drive AI assist capabilities. 4. Full traditional transition only for those items that have limited documentation. The illustration shows the deployment of existing clients and greenfield implementations. The existing clients will require lower client efforts. Wings will
आदित्य जो भी
identify tech
है बाकी
interventions,
का
deliver quick wins, provide
उनको भी
business
सब्सक्राइब
case
करते
leading to
चलिए,
target
आपको भी रिटर्न वो
stable
वापस कर देंगे.
platforms with agility. In greenfield implementations, this is typically applicable for new client engagements. This will involve transition activities, platform implementation, with targeted interventions leading to target state, with stable platforms with agility. Click on the next button to continue. Integrated operations, operating model shift, as is. Let's start by understanding how operations are currently structured across domains 1, 2, and 3. Today's model is largely resource-based, meaning pricing and staffing are tied to individual associates. This leads to duplication of efforts. Multiple teams may work on similar issues without coordination, increasing cost and effort. SLAs and KPIs are not standardized across domains or products, which creates inconsistency in service delivery. Most of the effort shifts toward L3 support, with dedicated teams handling escalations, but without shared learning or optimization. This siloed approach limits scalability and agility, making it harder to respond to dynamic business needs. In a nutshell, what happens today? 1. The sizing and pricing are based on a per resource basis. 2. This can have potential for duplication of efforts for the same issue type across domains. 3. Unstandardized SLAs and KPIs across domains, products. Click on the next button to continue. Integrated operations, operating model shift, new. Now let's look at the transformed model we're moving toward, powered by AI and unified service delivery. Pricing is now based on SLAs, allowing us to scale up or down depending on demand and service levels. We introduce AI-infused self-service, supported by human-in-the-loop triage and minimum viable teams, MVTs, across domains. SLAs and KPIs are standardized and aligned with industry benchmarks, ensuring consistency and transparency. This model enhances learning and experience for team members as they work across domains with shared tools and processes. For clients with specific needs, we still offer dedicated staffing, but the default is a shared, intelligent support model. This shift enables faster onboarding, better cost efficiency, and higher service quality. Let's summarize overall how things may change. 1. AI assistant as first point of issue resolution. 2. HILT to ensure accuracy in resolving complex or highly critical issues. 3. MVT to cover essential skill sets rather than specific, niche skills. 4. Enhanced learning and faster experience gained by team members. 5. Standardized SLAs and KPIs across domains, products aligned by industry. 6. Ability to price based on SLAs and scale up, down. Click on the next button to continue. Thank you for your time. Please click the exit button to close the module. Screen reader users, please follow the instructions carefully to have.
Welcome to the basic training module on Vega. Vega is an AI-first delivery platform under Wipro Intelligence. It's an integrated platform for all AI-driven development across Wipro. Click Start button to begin the module. Earlier, we launched Wipro Intelligence as a unified suite of AI platforms, AI solutions, and innovation network. In AI platforms, we have AI-powered end-to-end industry platforms and delivery platforms. At Wipro, we have two delivery platforms, Wings for all run and operate, and Vega, which is meant for software and product engineering and technology transformations. This module is about Vega, which is a delivery platform under AI platforms, under Wipro Intelligence. Click Next button to proceed. In this module, we will cover what is Vega, use cases of Vega, Vega agents. We will talk about Vega representation in periodic table and platform reference architecture. We will talk through what are the variants that will be deployed in specific deployment patterns. We will also talk about Vega adoption process along with benefits, and finally we will close explaining why Vega along with summary. Click Next button to proceed. Vega is an integrated platform for all AI-driven build across Wipro. Vega empowers all development teams across Wipro by providing agents and AI assistance for all project archetypes. For example, we have cloud migration and modernization practices, offerings, and services. We have custom software development, that is software engineering work that happens across Wipro, largely in the ICD service line. We have product engineering work that takes place in Wipro Engineering GBL. There is significant work that happens around enterprise applications for SAP, Salesforce, Pega, and Oracle. There are projects focused on data modernization, data transformation, data migration, and AI build, including data pipelines, model build, and model training. All of these are build activities that spread across Wipro: software build, product build, data build, AI build, enterprise apps build, and cloud modernization build. All of these build projects across Wipro will leverage a single integrated platform called Vega, which is an AI-first delivery platform. Click Next button to proceed. Let's look at some example of Vega use cases across offerings from service lines. In software engineering, you can perform planning with AI. For instance, you can take a set of transcripts from your planning conversations and automatically generate requirements, environments, or user stories using AI. You can also automatically create high-level design documents with AI. Whether you are building your platform's user interface, from UX designs or generating code, you can leverage a variety of code assistant tools powered by AI. You can generate test scenarios and automation scripts for testing using AI. These are just a few examples. Similarly, Across other archetypes such as data and AI, you can automate tasks like migrating Oracle databases to Postgres and enterprise applications. In enterprise apps, you can perform discovery and blueprinting using platforms like Pega Blueprint. In the context of cloud modernization, you can conduct assessment and discovery, or even automatically create infrastructure as code. In the product engineering space, AI enables advanced design engineering and functional simulation. You can also apply AI to engineering work in areas such as VLSI, automotive, and other specialized practices within product engineering. Again, these are just a few examples, and not an exhaustive list. Vega covers a broad range of use cases. Click Next button to proceed.
अरे आदित्य, क्यों टेंशन ले रहा है भाई? क्यों रोने वाले इमोजी भेज रहा है? अरे यार टेंशन मत लेना, मैं हूं ना। बच्चा है यार, परेशान क्यों हो रहा है? तो मेरा बच्चा है यार। परेशान मत हो।
Vega, 128 plus agents, assistants, partner tools. The Vega platform comes with 128 agents and assistants across the development lifecycle, from planning to monitoring. At this point in time, we have around 128 agents and assistants that are being integrated into Vega. 86 of them are Wipro agents and 42 are partner agents. Again, this number is not static. It will keep evolving. We will continue adding more agents, and some agents may be consolidated, depending on how they are orchestrated. In the planning phase, agents assist with requirement generation and user story creation, helping teams start with clarity and alignment. Next, in analysis and design, agents provide architecture recommendations, support UI and UX design, and create technical design documents to guide development. During development, coding agents accelerate implementation, while data engineering agents ensure robust data pipelines. In the quality and testing phase, agents generate test cases, automate testing workflows. In deployment phase, agents automate CI/CD pipelines, manage agent deployment, and orchestrate releases for smooth delivery. Post-go live, agents assist with system oversight and drive modernization to keep platforms resilient and up to date. This is an illustration of development across a software development lifecycle, product development lifecycle, AI development lifecycle, or data analytics development lifecycle. Click Next button to proceed. Vega periodic table of AI agents, assistants, partner tools. We want to roll out the Vega platform so that it can be adopted by our teams across a wide range of project archetypes. Our goal is to ensure that every team, regardless of the type of project they are working on, whether it is software development, product engineering, data analytics, or AI initiatives, can leverage the power of Vega. To make it easy for teams to understand and select the right tools, we have created a periodic table view. It uses a simple periodic table view to show all available agents and assistants. This table organizes agents into clear categories based on what they do and which stage of the development lifecycle they support. Teams can filter the table by project archetype and quickly select the agents that best match their needs. Click Next button to proceed. What does Vega look like under the hood? This is a reference architecture for the Vega platform. There are a variety of personas, ranging from project managers to quality assurance team, who will be accessing Vega. The platform, through its agents and assistants, is designed to support every persona involved in the development lifecycle or a build project. Vega can be accessed in multiple ways through Copilot, integrated development environments, IDEs, intelligent development platforms, IDPs, command line interfaces, or through specialized workbenches for enterprise applications or Wipro engineering environments. Vega brings together all platform capabilities using plugins and recipes. Agent platform includes agents and agent-based workflows. It also provides a marketplace, orchestration tools, prompts, Wipro tools, agent registry, third-party integrations, and specialized tools like FinOps solutions. There is also a roadmap to build a dedicated small language model for Vega. In summary, Vega's reference architecture is designed to provide comprehensive support for all roles and activities across software development, product development, AI development, and data analytics lifecycles. Click Next button to proceed. Vega, platform variants and deployment patterns. When it comes to deploying Vega in projects, there are three primary deployment